And then to keep this from spinning, they have this snap ring that locks it. And they have two different versions depending on where it was set in. But yeah, I got to get a good video to kind of see where it is. I'll have to make a mark somehow. And see how it goes into the teeth or whatever of the ring. So, tough to do one-handed looking through a phone. So, there was a snap ring that held it in place. And then, we engraved it right there. You can see we got to push the race down, so that would be tighten it that direction. But since the snap ring's not in, I can go this direction, and then I could push the race up more if I wanted. And that's how you set the preload. But when I get to there, it's tight and I can't do it, so we got to put something in here and spin it. Toyota's got a special tool, but it's $250. I don't want to buy it. Are you just gonna try that?
Yeah. Where's the mark?
Sort of like a half turn right now. Yeah.
Yeah, we're all coming up to one.
1. $31. $32. Should we see? Flip it here. Is the race even out? I wonder if it's all the way out, but we just got to push the race out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's probably been out for a while.
Yeah.
But at least I got the line.
Yeah. Well, I didn't know.
I know you didn't know. We'll figure it out. At least I got a line. Like I can test it. I got the tool and everything. So we have the special service tool on, and we have this fish scale, right? And we got to hook it in like the top right corner. It's got to be up in the corner. Goes down to 0, right? And we got to see the force it takes before it moves. Right there. Put it down to 0. Right? Do it. So I'm going to try and take this off. I marked it. I'm going to try and count how many turns with the side gear on the transfer. That didn't work out that good, but we'll try with this just to see. But here I go. I'm going to loosen this now. Oh, it's just spinning in here. I got to get it tighter. Temp number 2. It moved. So here we go. $14, $15. That's it. So I just put it in the vise like this. It says press. My uncle doesn't have a press here. I wanted to get this out, so I just hit it with a rubber mallet and got it loose. Now I'm pulling it out here. So got this all apart. Here's the bearing. Now I got to try and get the race out, which I'll need a puller. I can probably get this race out coming from the backside with a screwdriver. And that's all it is to this thing. And here's the crush sleeve that's discontinued. But that's